warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 7:45 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Monroe Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. The Harrison Crib reported a wind gust to 38 knots with the storm. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor and Jackson Park Harbor.